Today, guys, as promised, we're fixing to do an experiment. I want to take a wet brush. Now, I did do this out off camera last night because I wanted it to be dry to perform this test. What I want to see is what will happen if I do this. Pretty much expected. If it gets wet, you may have a problem. Unless you want it to do this. Which is watercolor. I mean, come on. Anyway, if you're new here, welcome and howdy. If you're old here, welcome and howdy. Moment of silence for the haters. That's enough. Now, I hope y'all have been seeing this. Okay, so if you put your watercolor down and it dries, just know that water will make it smeary. I'm using the white here. I'm not going to use the tube white because I want to see what this does. Can I go over? Yes, I can. I can take my white and go over. So, that's nice to know. Oh. I ain't done yet. We got another test to do. Clean my brush good. So the white will, over the dry paint, it will cover it. And I don't even want to use that in a tube. But, hang on a minute, I gotta get something. Okay. Sorry about that. I should have had these up here to begin with because I knew I was going to be testing this. So, first thing I'm going to try out is the Wallow dry marker, watercolor marker. I want to see what I can do here. Okay, it's turning green. So that means the water, what there is of it, is, and I wanted to know that too. So, will this make purple? Yes, it will make purple. This is the color of blue it is. So yes, it will make purple. So you can get green and purple with a watercolor brush pen. So I'm using another blue or green. Well, it's dark green. Now, I'm going to see what I can do with alcohol markers. If this is going to change anything. Now, that white watercolor was underneath that. So I am seeing it interact with that. About here. It's sliding over it like weird. So, alcohol markers will, well, it don't make much of a difference, does it? Although I can still see the white where I went across with the white watercolor. I can see it from underneath the alcohol right here. See it? Just kind of see it here. Kind of see it there. But yeah, you can see the so yes, on the marker, just like, but I would be like, do the blue. You want to use your blues with your blue paint, and your yellows and oranges with that, and it's kind of like colored pencils. So that's that. I think that's all I was gonna do there. Yeah. Okay. That's all I was gonna do there. So, well, that's our little experiment. What did I do with the... There it is. Watercolor paper. And this ain't even watercolor paper. This is cheap cardstock. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you my review. Okay. Color swatch 1. Y'all know how I feel about light colors, right? Do you see these two? Do you see the light colors? That don't make me happy. And we got more light colors here. Right there, right there. So there is light colors in this bunch. Okay. And we know the white will color over your dry paint. Comes in handy if you're doing clouds. Not being named and numbered doesn't bother me because I swatched them in the order they are in the tin. So that's not, that doesn't bother me. What bothers me is when you pay for 48 colors and you're getting so many light colors. They're so alike that you could use them, and that's really one of my pet peeves is don't do that. You know, don't do that. So that's what upset me about it. They are pigmented and they are rich. And you could pretty much, use them if you, but the price, okay, price, and the name Ohuhu, they could have did better than that. No, there's two light colors here, two light. I'm not saying light, I'm saying like, L-I-K-E. They're alike. And when you pay for 48, you expect 48 different colors. See, like, if I ran out of this one, I could use this one instead. I mean, the same year. So now I'm going to give you my full-on honest review. It gets points for being rich, pigmented. Brightness on the top row was there, but the second half of the tray, it just wasn't there. I don't know if that's by design or what, but they're muddy looking. Like I said, no problem here on the top tier of the paints, but just that second tier. They're still thick, they're still rich. That's part of the price, I understand that. Another thing is, I don't know. I'm just upset about the light colors. But like I said, then again, you can use your watercolors and your alcohol markers, and you still see where the white was. So, that's a good. So, was it enjoyable to paint? Paint with. Doing the swatches, I consider it painting. Was it fun to paint with? Yeah. Did it require a lot of wear and tear on the hand and the arm? No. Did I have fun? Yeah, I had fun. I did have fun with it. So, would I buy them again? If, I don't know, I would have to test something else out. But, for what you get for the low price, I will rate these minus points for the light colors. I'm going to give this a 6.5 on 10 out of 10. So 6.5 points out of 10, and most of that's because of the light colors and that second set of colors on the bottom, just not as bright and vibrant as the top tier. So I don't know. They may have done that on purpose. What do I know? Okay, guys, that is my review for the Ohuhu 48 color kit is what it says. So this is just going to be short and sweet. I wanted to perform these tests, and I found out everything I wanted to know, and wanted to share it with you. And if light colors don't bother you, this is a great set. It's just that light colors are just my pet peeve. I cannot handle it. I don't like light colors. I'm the person, if you buy a set and there's so many colors in it, you need that many colors. Well, I'm off for now. It's supper time, and the dog hasn't noticed that I'm in here recording, or she would be in here hamming it up. Okay, guys, I love y'all very much. And like I said, if you don't mind the light colors, this would be perfect for beginner too. Because it is so thick and rich. Yeah. This would be a great beginner's paint set. More advanced? No. I wouldn't say it was good for an advanced. No. Okay, guys. I gotta quit rambling. Alright. I love you guys. Peace out. Bye.